Hello students, today will we discuss एक्सप्रेशनिस्टिक ड्रामा। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एक्सप्रेशनिस्टिक ड्रामा क्या है। The expressionistic movement in literature seems to have started in first decade of the 20th century. The French artist Julian had organized an art exhibition in 1901, which was described an expression but in literature it was recognized in 1914. It is an imitate all the adjective and turn it to soul. These dramatists were irrational and there is no continuity, thought and action in their plays. According to Percy, this movement attempts to express the basic reality of its subject and does not present what appears on surface. So it was a revolt not only against current art but against current civilization. These expressionists were deeply influenced by Strindberg and have no concern with the silent dramatic characteristics. ये साहित्य में एक्सप्रेशनिस्टिक आंदोलन संभवतः 20वीं शताब्दी के प्रथम दशक में आरंभ हुआ था। फ्रांसीसी कलाकार जूलियन ने 1901 में एक कला प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन किया जिससे एक्सप्रेशनिस्टिक के रूप में वर्णन किया गया, परंतु साहित्य में इसकी पहचान 1914 में हुई। ये माना जाता है कि यह अति तीव्र वास्तविकता विरोधी आंदोलन था। यह उन सभी चीज़ों की नकल को नकारता था जो उस समय अस्तित्व में थी तथा यह आत्मा की ओर उन्मुख भी हो गया था। ये नाटककार तर्कविहीन थे। इनके नाटकों में विचार व क्रियाकलापों में तारतम्यता नहीं थी। पर्सी के अनुसार यह आंदोलन अपने विषय के आधारभूत वास्तविकता को प्रकट करने का एक प्रयत्न है तो जो कुछ धरातल पर दिखाई पड़ता है उसे ये प्रस्तुत नहीं करता। ये केवल प्रचलित कला के विरुद्ध ही नहीं बल्कि प्रचलित सभ्यता के विरुद्ध भी आंदोलन था। वे सभी एक्सप्रेशनिस्ट वास्तव में स्ट्रिनबर्ग से बहुत अधिक प्रभावित थे तथा प्रमुख नाटकीय विशेषताओं से इनका कोई भी संबंध नहीं था। Strindberg is considered to be the father of Expressionism. Beginning as a naturalist, he ended as a successful expressionist, and his most important plays of this class are The Dance of Death and The Dream Play. This last is the most powerful example of expressionism. Everything is like a dream and shows that human life is a tale of tears. The dramatist does not deal with any particular evil in a particular section, with laments the evil in the universe. There is no touch of hope or consolation anywhere. Wedgkin also criticized the systems of the contemporary society, and there is no sympathy for the Victorian attitude to sex. His The Earth Spirit is the moving story which excites lust and passion, and the heroine unknowingly becomes the source of destructions. The other great dramatist of Expressionism is George Cassier, who had no faith in the principle of art for art's sake. हेगर के विचार में एक्सप्रेशनिज्म वह कला है जिसमें भावनाओं को अत्यधिक अतिशयोक्तिपूर्ण प्रकट किया जाता था तथा आध्यात्मिक व सामाजिक तनाव की अवधि में यह और अधिक प्रभावशाली बन जाता है। यह वास्तविकता को जानबूझकर बिगाड़ने पर बल देता है। नाटक में ये नाटक रचना की शैली तथा वास्तविकता के प्रतीकात्मक प्रस्तुतिकरण के लिए भी लागू होता है। उपन्यास तथा लघु कथाओं में एक्सप्रेशनिज्म गहन प्रभावों के माध्यम से बाह्य संसार के प्रस्तुतिकरण में निहित है। गत 6 दशकों की अवधि में एक्सप्रेशनिज्म का क्षेत्र बहुत विस्तृत हो गया। इस कला में प्रत्येक चीज़ अपने अंतःकरण से ही प्रकट की जाती है। ये लेखक संपूर्ण मानव जाति, संपूर्ण ब्रह्मांड को अपना क्षेत्र मानते हैं। सारा संसार एक ही व्यक्ति के दृष्टिकोण में समेट लिया जाता है। यह आंदोलन समाज तथा परिवार के विरुद्ध परिलक्षित होता है। वे अपनी भावनाओं को बाह्यकरण करते हैं तथा उनके नाटकों की पृष्ठभूमि में हिंसा होती है। Franz Kafka is most popular novelist of Expressionism and has exercised a powerful influence on Albert Camus. His heroes feel guilty and concise, and his stories are beyond logic. Sometimes the readers fail to understand what he means. He is more interested in sex than romantic love and metamorphosis. The trial and the writer of Expressionism. There are many other American and British expressionists, and O'Neill is the greatest dramatist of this branch. His play shows the ideas and conflict of his age, and they are normally devoid of any particular purpose. His 3 plays, The Emperor Jones, his Harriet, and Marco Millions, are the most popular examples of Expressionism. स्ट्रिंगवर्ग के एक्सप्रेशनिज्म को जनक माना जाता है। एक प्रकृतिवादी के रूप में आरंभ करके उसका जीवन एक सफल एक्सप्रेशनिस्ट के समान समाप्त हुआ तथा इस वर्ग के उसके महत्वपूर्ण नाटक डांस ऑफ डेथ तथा ड्रीम ऑफ प्ले हैं। अंतिम नाटक एक्सप्रेशनिज्म का सबसे अधिक शक्तिशाली उदाहरण है। प्रत्येक चीज़ स्वप्न के समान है और ये प्रकट करता है कि मानव जीवन एक आंसू भरी घाटी है। नाटककार किसी विशेष वर्ग की विशेष बुराई प्रकट नहीं करता बल्कि ब्रह्मांड में फैली बुराइयों पर भी विलाप करता है। कहीं भी सांत्वना अथवा आशा का अंश नहीं होता। वर्डकिंग ने समकालीन सामाजिक व्यवस्था की आलोचना की है तथा विक्टोरिया युग के लिंग दृष्टिकोण के प्रति उसकी कोई भी सहानुभूति नहीं है। उसकी द अर्थ स्पिरिट एक दहलाने वाली कहानी है जो एक्साइटमेंट उत्पन्न करती है तथा हीरोइन अनजाने में ही विनाश का स्रोत बन जाती है। एक्सप्रेशनिज्म का दूसरा महान नाटककार जॉर्ज कैसर है जिसका कला के लिए के सिद्धांत में कोई विश्वास नहीं करता था। वह मानव की महानता में विश्वास करता था। जीवन के प्रति उसका दृष्टिकोण बहुत ही उपदेशात्मक है। उसके नायक विचारों तथा शक्ति के प्रतिरूप हैं। Expressionist drama movement is a new development in the field of modern drama, and it has gained quickly popularity and attracted the attention of audience as well as critics. It is believed that this genre was invented in the beginning of the 20th century, but it is not true. Prior to him, the French artist Julien Harvey had described his art exhibition as expression. It was an incident of 1901, but by that time the expressionist drama was not known because the movement was confined only to art. As a literary movement, it started in about 1914 and then it was quickly accepted. Since then, it was developed quite rapidly. Basically, the movement came into being as a reaction to strong realism. This movement was against all imitation, repetition, and reproductions of all that has become a part of literature. It is actually a search for something new. The expressionists have made a dynamic use of imagery, and there is discontinuity of thought and action in it. Expressionism is related to man and his destiny in the world and has declared expressionism supports socialism. This was a revolt against modern civilization which looks prosperous outwardly but is rotten at the core. The expressionist does not portray the world as it appears to him. He gives expressionism to his inner experience by representing the world as it appears to his mind. As an expressionist dramatist, O'Neill occupies an important place among the American writers. His play embody the ideas and conflicts of the age. He has a keen tragic insight and has no difficulty in understanding the meaning of life in a world devoid of any purpose. He has written three important plays that are connected with expressionism. These three plays are The Emperor Jones, Harriet, and Marco Millions Jones is a Negro dictator who flees from his subjects whom he oppressed and exploited utterly. He is killed after a long chase. As he ran through the jungle, he remembers part of to how he exploited his subject and rose to glory. The Harriet tells the story of Yank, a stalker on a ship. He tries to shake hands with the ape who pulled him inside the cage and crushed him to death. According to O'Neill, the theme in this play is man and his struggle against his own fate. The Adding Machine by Elmer Rice is remarkable dramatic experiment and is an excellent example of expressionism. It tells the unpleasant story of Mr. Zero who is living in a dull world of figures.